Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're looking at MasterCard. I had opened this Iron Condor a little while ago, and I've been closing legs of it as I take profits off the table. Today the market is down yet again. So you can see I have a put, a call, and another call that I sold and bought. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take this put and I'm going to sell it. I'm going to close this put because it seems like a pretty good deal. I doubled my money here, so I'm taking it off the table. Going to see if I can get this to close. Let's see. Alright. It's a pretty good credit. I'll take it. Let's go back. And let's see if I can close. So the put already executed, so that's good. So here's the call that could be a potential problem for me, and I want to take that off the table. It looks like I'm well more than 50% profit. So I'm going to close this and see if I can get a good price for it. Pay as little as I can, obviously. Alright, let's try 230. Alright, because that's where the risk is. So, hopefully that'll close. And then the other call that I own at 375 is not really worth it right now to close. So that is going to be my new lottery ticket. So if MasterCard just all of a sudden spikes up to 400, awesome, I have a lottery ticket. If not, it's already been paid for. It's not really worth closing it out right now. Maybe we'll feel another update in the market in the next week or two. There'll be still some options. There's options premium in there, and I can sell that off. So that's all I have for today. This is managing risk in my Iron Condor that I had, taking some profits off the table. And once I do sell that other call, I'll do a final summary of how much I made and how much I lost on this one. Alright guys, that's all I have for today. Be sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching.